Let's be real, your e-commerce store is probably leaking money right now. Not just a few bucks, but a steady stream of lost sales from really simple, fixable issues. It's happening every minute of every day. While you're sleeping, eating, or trying to figure out what to post on social media, potential customers are clicking away and abandoning their carts. That's cash you'll never see again, and it's a silent killer for thousands of online businesses. But what if you could patch those leaks? Not in a few months, not by hiring some expensive consultant, but right now in the next 30 minutes for free? What if you could basically install a second salesperson in your store? An employee who works 24/7, never sleeps, and knows exactly what to say to get customers to finish checking out. That's not science fiction, it's the power of AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install 3 powerful, and most importantly, free AI tools that will help you personalize your store, slash that pesky cart abandonment rate, and put a hyper-efficient digital salesperson to work for you around the clock. Stick with me, because this is going to completely change how you think about running your business. If you run an e-commerce store, you know the feeling. You pour your time, money, and energy into your business, but the results just aren't there. You get traffic, people even add stuff to their cart, and then, crickets. It is one of the most frustrating problems any online brand faces. My name is Mohammed Tahir, and I've been in the e-commerce trenches for years, testing all the strategies and tools so you don't have to. And I can tell you, the AI tools I'm about to show you are some of the most effective, instant impact solutions out there. Forget the complicated tech jargon. We're talking about real results, more sales, happier customers, and a lot less wasted effort. I've sorted through all the options to find 3 tools that give you the biggest bang for your buck, or in this case, for no buck at all. These aren't just shiny new toys, they're strategic weapons. We're about to install an always-on customer service agent, a world-class copywriter, and a professional product photographer for your store, all without you spending a single cent. Let's get to it. Okay, first up, the most painful problem, cart abandonment. Someone lands on your site, finds a product they love, adds it to their cart, and they're one click away from giving you money. But they hesitate. Maybe they have a question about shipping. Maybe they're not sure about sizing. In a real store, a good salesperson would notice and step in, asking, "Hey, can I help with anything? We have free returns, you know." But online? That customer is usually gone forever. This is where our first free AI tool, Tidio, comes in. Think of Tidio as your store's friendly, always-on sales assistant. It's an AI-powered chat platform that plugs right into sites like Shopify and WordPress. Its free plan is surprisingly generous and powerful enough to make a difference right away. You get live chat and basic automated chatbots to engage customers in real time. Here's why this is a game changer. Instead of just letting that customer leave, Tidio's AI can be set to pop up and help. You can create a chatbot that appears on the checkout page and says, "Hey, I noticed you're about to get a great product. Have any questions before you check out?" This kind of proactive help can catch hesitant buyers at that critical moment. Now, to be clear, Tidio's most advanced AI agent, Lyra, which they claim can resolve up to 70% of customer questions, is part of their paid plans, which start at around $39 a month. But the free plan is more than enough to get started. It includes 50 free chatbot-handled conversations per month. Installation is super simple. On Shopify, for example, you just find it in the App Store and click to install. Within minutes, you can set up a welcome message, answer common questions, or even offer a small discount to visitors who are about to leave your site. By installing this one tool, you've just built a system that works 24/7 to turn hesitant visitors into paying customers. You're not just offering support, you're actively recovering sales that would have been lost. That's like putting a new employee on your team, for free. Next, let's fix another huge sales bottleneck, your copywriting. Your product descriptions, your ads, your emails, these are the words that do the selling. If your descriptions are boring or generic, your conversion rates will tank. But let's be honest, writing amazing, SEO-friendly copy for a bunch of products is a huge, time-sucking task. If you're not a professional writer, you're probably spending hours on this and still not loving the results. This is where you hire your second AI employee, a master copywriter. The two best free tools for the job are ChatGPT and the free plan from Copy.ai. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's like a Swiss Army knife for text. You can feed it a few bullet points and ask it to write a killer, benefit-focused product description. Don't just say, write a description for a coffee mug. Get specific. Try a prompt like this: write a fun, witty 150-word product description for a 16-ounce ceramic mug with a comfy handle. Focus on the feeling of a perfect, cozy morning and how it keeps coffee hot. Use keywords like large coffee mug, ceramic mug, and gift for coffee lovers. In seconds, you'll have a bunch of options that are way more engaging than a boring list of features. You can also use it to brainstorm ad ideas, write email campaigns, or even create an FAQ for your products. Copy.ai is another great choice, and it's built specifically for marketing. Its free plan gives you a set number of words per month, around 2,000, which is great for getting started. It won't be enough for hundreds of products, but it's perfect for polishing the descriptions of your bestsellers or writing a few key ads. What makes Copy.ai cool is its library of templates for things like product descriptions or Google Ads. You pick a template, plug in your details, and it spits out copy formatted for that specific channel. Using one of these tools, you've just saved yourself tons of writing time. More importantly, you've upgraded the quality of your sales copy across your store. Better copy means higher conversion rates and better SEO, which leads to more traffic over time. You've basically hired a world-class copywriter who never runs out of ideas. We've rescued abandoned carts and supercharged our copy. Now, for the final piece of the puzzle, your product visuals. In e-commerce, photos are everything. You could have the best product on earth, but if your photo looks like you took it on a messy kitchen table, no one's buying. Customers buy with their eyes first. Professional photos build trust, but they're also crazy expensive. What if you could get studio-quality product shots without a studio, a camera, or a photographer? Meet your third free AI employee, a professional product photographer. The tool for this is SKYROCKET.ai. SKYROCKET.ai is an awesome AI tool that turns your basic smartphone pictures into stunning, commercial-grade product shots. It has a free plan that gives you a handful of credits to start, about 20 credits, to be exact, which is perfect for giving your best-selling products an immediate visual upgrade. The process is ridiculously simple. You take a clear photo of your product with your phone and upload it. The AI instantly removes the background, giving you a clean shot on a pure white background, the standard for sites like Amazon. But it gets way better. You can then tell the AI to place your product in a realistic scene. Selling a skincare serum? The AI can create an image of it sitting on a beautiful marble bathroom counter. Selling a t-shirt? The AI can generate a realistic image of a model wearing it. The impact is huge. Suddenly, your products look like they belong in a high-end catalog, not just an online store. Your ads get more clicks, your website looks more professional, and customer trust goes way up. People who've made this one switch from DIY photos to AI-generated shots report a big improvement in their ad performance and sales. What used to take a day-long photo shoot and thousands of dollars can now be done in minutes from your computer. With SKYROCKET.ai, you've just hired a photography and art direction team for free, making sure your products always look their best. So, let's just take a step back. In the span of an afternoon, without spending a single dime, you've just hired 3 new, ridiculously effective employees. First, you hired a 24/7 salesperson with Tidio, who's on your site ready to answer questions and save sales that you would have otherwise lost. Second, you hired a master copywriter with ChatGPT or Copy.ai, who's now filling your store with words that actually convince people to buy. And third, you hired a professional photographer with SKYROCKET.ai, who's making your products look so good people can't help but want them. Each of these tools plugs a major leak in your sales funnel. But when you use them together, the effect is explosive. Better service, better copy, and better visuals all work together to build trust, reduce friction, and make it so much easier for a customer to click buy. This is how you stop guessing and start growing. Look, the biggest mistake you can make right now is to watch this and then do absolutely nothing. Information is only powerful if you use it. So here's your assignment: pick just any of the tools I mentioned today, Tidio, ChatGPT, or Sellerpick.ri, and set it up in your store before you go to bed tonight. I've put the links for all of them in the description below. It's free, it'll take you less than 30 minutes, and I promise you will see the impact. Let me know in the comments which tool you're going to try first. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you. And finally, if this was helpful and you want more real, actionable strategies to grow your e-commerce brand, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.